The government of Israel has donated medical equipment to Nigeria with a view of raising the bar of healthcare services at the Jos University Teaching Hospital, North Central Nigeria. Chargé d'Affaires of the Embassy of Israel in Nigeria, Mr. Yotam Kreman, who presented the equipment in Abuja, Nigeria's capital, said the donation is coming at the appropriate time to complement the ongoing effort to contain the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic.
There are several different machinery that was donated. There is the ultrasound machine, there are retractors, there are bolts for spine operations. It's different machinery that will be used here in Nigeria to help Nigerian people with a very skillful hand in the Jos Hospital, Technical Hospital University. And once the hospital was able to get the machinery sent here, which was a challenge of how to bring it, resolved together with the cooperation of Danny Zonshine and the Israeli Ministry of Foreign Affairs, we were able to ship it here with diplomatic mail and pass it to the university. Now that we know we were able to conduct the transfer of the material of the machinery in this manner, through this route, we are hoping to see more hospitals in Israel taking advantage of this to pass whatever they can to the hospitals in Nigeria that we know will be put to use.
Some of the medical equipment donated are ultrasound machines, tractor, and boat for spinal surgery operations. Yotam disclosed that the donation was a joint effort of three well-wishers. They are the Israeli government, Professor Shlomi Konstantini, Director Gilbert International Neurofibromatosis Center, and Ichilov Hospital in Tel Aviv, aimed at supporting Dr. Botgiang, who was trained in Israel. While receiving the items, Professor Edmond Banwat, the Chief Medical Director of the hospital, expressed appreciation to the Israeli embassy, saying it would address the lack of adequate surgery equipment at the medical center.
Greatly is going to improve inpatient care because the surgeon, that's Dr. Bot, who trained in Israel as a neurosurgeon, needed some of this equipment to help in doing performing this surgeries that he needs to do in Nigeria. So it's going to greatly benefit the patients that are needing neurosurgery interventions.
Banwat, who was represented by the chairman, Medical Advisory Committee, and Director of Clinical Services at the hospital, said the equipment would help improve healthcare delivery in the country. He said further by appealing to Nigerians living abroad to always render support to the healthcare sector in their fatherland to help develop healthcare. Kamil Sadiq, CBA TV, Nigeria.